Wow！
我哋就督姑歡迎大家收睇側田有靈，先爆翻猛，見女見烤人。今日都有少少夜啦，可能你哋已經早食咗，你哋遲啲先食 OK 吧？有冇咪？所以如果你哋今日睇到今日嘅呢個 GF， 就知道我今日會同大家講啲咩，就係租帶嘅地方啦，租帶鋪 OK。如果你哋有啲乜嘢想同我分享，或者你哋有啲咩問題想問關於今日嘅呢個話題嘅話，你係留低你嘅口信話俾我聽。所以我俾你哋一個1分鐘嘅時間，6:38我哋開始 OK。係啦，頭先呢個天氣變涼咗少少啦，因為頭先突然間啦，先已經睇住噶啦。下晝差唔多成2點幾3點咁就落水啦，所以呢就係涼咗好多，落都幾大下嘅，老實講下。係啦。嚟蹭 club，嚟入嚟，可以入嚟啦喂！蹭 club，嚟撩，咩見攞咩曉攞，見對撩，lift 幣，lift 幣，咩見攞，見對撩，lift coin。OK， 可以開始啦。所以今日咧就有3道電視劇咧要同大家分享嘅。咁首先咧就係、是、我以前咧我阿婆住喺雪嘅大連，即是金城大城堡嘅時候咧，一係要諗緊嗰個中文名叫咩名，好耐冇用咗。係因為以前咧我阿婆住喺大城堡嘅時候咧，我仲記得有時我拜六禮拜嚟揾佢，應該係拜5係咪放咗先？放咗學之後先嚟揾佢係啦，所以之後咧佢就好中意租帶嘅。咁我仲記得佢嗰時候佢頭一個租嘅帶咧係真情，係 TVB 嘅。由薛家燕啦，個叫咩叉燒餅啦，我記得佢角色嘅名，但係不過真名我就冇咩記得啦嚇。我記得有後期有張慧儀啦。仲有邊個咧？其實有好多演員，一下我記唔到啦嚇。我一下記到薛家燕叉燒餅張慧儀呢幾個咁樣嘅。所以我嗰時候我仲記得係我有，因為其實我阿婆咧，佢好似到咗好夜之後先至睇呢個真情嘅，唔知做乜嘢。所以嗰時候咧，佢應該係做緊呢個嘢，或者係佢睇緊其他電視節目，或者係我阿公睇緊咩電視節目，所以佢就冇時間可以睇啦。所以到開佢做晒呢啲家務咗之後咧，佢就開始去睇呢個真情啦。咁我就陪佢睇咯。佢好似係夜晚11、12點先開始睇，睇到成半夜1、2點先瞓嘅。所以我就陪佢睇咯，因為冇其他人嘛，因為我阿公就瞓咗覺。嗰時候啦嚇，我就陪佢睇到1、2點咯。所以其實我陪佢睇真情都睇得好耐嚇，因為真情好長啊，成1000幾至2000幾集話俾我聽啦嚇。我知道真情好長嘅呢個處境劇。OK， 所以講咗呢個處境劇之後咧，我記得佢以前去租嗰個租帶鋪咧，其實佢嘅租帶鋪係喺樓上嘅。所以咧就好似跟相咁樣，其實佢有好多嘅櫃嘅，擺住好多套帶嘅。咁就嗰時候我就跟住佢一齊去租帶啦。咁我亦都冇 member 啦，佢有啊嘛，所以佢就可以租帶咯。咁就其實嗰度有好多戲睇，其實嗰時候我都唔知，因為嗰時候仲細個都唔識分，都唔知道去睇咩戲，所以我通常就唔會黐吉嘅，因為我都唔係 member， 都唔係我借，所以佢借咩，佢借啲咩戲睇，咁我咪睇咩咯。咁呢個就維持咗一段時間啦，我仲記得。咁之後佢搬到嚟Starbucks 吉隆坡，係咪？咁之後嗰時我仲記得嗰度有一間租帶鋪。我仲記得嗰時候都仲要揸車出嚟，都差唔多要成未到10分鐘啦嚇。 嗰時候冇咁多車嘅時候，你仲可以拍喺個鋪頭前面嘅 OK。雖然係話嗰個前面佢個路唔係好靚嗰隻啦，全部都係爛泥啦 OK， 我哋都照拍嘅 OK， 因為為咗去租帶啦。咁我仲記得嗰時候佢就好似冇租帶咗，就變開係我租帶。咁因為嗰時候我就聽朋友講有 Sailor Moon 呢一個動畫，然之後好似係有好似有廣東版嘅。咁我就去嗰個租睇鋪嗰度問啦，真係有喎。所以我以為咧，其實之前未租帶之前，其實我都喺電視機有睇多一輪嚟㗎啦。就喺Metrovision 睇過啦，嗰時候係第一輯嘅 Sailor Moon Show 代初代 OK。嗰時候我係每一個拜六禮拜睇嘅，下晝5點喺 Metrovision 睇嘅。咁我就冇完全睇到晒啦，因為我追緊嘅時應該係中間咗㗎啦。嗰時候 Sailor Mars 已經出嚟咗，所以我就知道係中間出嚟咗嘅。中間開始已經做到中間咗嘅。咁就嗰時候我就一直嗰時候我就問佢有冇 Sailor Moon， 佢講有，係第二輯嘅就係 Sailor Moon R， 所以我就由 Sailor Moon R 租到 Sailor Moon Super S 好似我就租咗成三個 season 咯，可以咁講。所以全部係廣東版㗎啦。所以我初識到 Sailor Moon 嘅時候唔係日文版嘅，係廣東版嘅，所以我都極之中意啦。係啦，所以之後之時租完 Sailor Moon 之後咧，我就之後咧就由帶變咗去 VCD 啦，咁我就要租 VCD 啦。咁嗰時候又係咁樣嘅，好搞笑嘅。嗰時候2000年之前啱啱讀中學冇幾耐，嗰時候又係朋友介紹嘅，因為我對於呢啲劇集嘅嘢其實我係冇咩醒覺嘅，可以講。我每一次都係聽朋友講，呢個好睇啊，呢個 Spice 都好聽啊，咩我都係聽人哋講嘅。嗰時候我嗰啲醒覺仲未醒嘅，我個 antenna， 我嘅嗰個電線，我個天線未咁 active 嘅時候，所以我唔知我睇啲乜嘢，或者唔知道嗰時候係流行啲乜嘢嘅，係唔知嘅，多數都係聽朋友講 OK。咁之後就聽朋友講話，好似我和僵屍好好睇。我講你說什麼？你說什麼？有一個港劇，什麼我和僵屍什麼東西啊？那套電視劇叫《我和僵屍有個約會》，OK 咯，都可以咁講，我咪去租咯。咁我又去翻嗰個鋪頭，我同佢租開 video tape 嗰個鋪頭啦。咁你就講有呢一個 VCD 嘅。佢好似總共有第一季，我記得係第一輯係有30幾集，好似35集，好似38集咁樣噶啦，大概咁樣樣。所以我就借咗一個試身啫咯。第二個試身我就冇借啦，我淨係借一個試身啫。所以我就由頭睇到尾咯。佢有翻啲 This One and This Two 嘅打雜我，所以每一次有啲 This One and This Two 嘅，所以我就因為佢係咁樣嘅，如果你要成為 member 嘅話咧，你哋就要俾1溝錢，就變成佢哋嘅 member 啦。所以你就可以租一集嚟睇啦，一日租一集嚟睇。所以一集有兩個 VCD 嘅，咁你嘅限期咧就1日。所以嗰日租咗咧，你聽日就要還啦。所以嗰日咧，我就盡快做晒我啲功課咧，我就嗱快啲睇盡佢，睇4、5擺、6擺、7擺，有得睇幾多就睇幾多。然之後到聽日再借第二集 ，OK？ 如果你到咗第二日你冇辦法還翻俾佢哋，你就要罰1蚊嘅。所以其實嗰時候都仲 OK 嘅所以我就記得嗰個時候咧，就係我有去過我阿婆屋企嗰度租真情底，我有跟過佢去嗰間租底鋪租帶嘅。咁之後佢搬咗嚟吉隆坡之後咧，就我去租 Sailor Moon 同埋租我和僵屍有個約會嘅，所以可以講係對於我嚟講係好有回憶嘅一樣嘢，因為以前 我好中意玩帶嘅，我好中意玩video tape 嘅，我好中意買空帶，然之後錄嗰個帶之後呢，我又錄咗之後呢，我就會自己咁慢慢欣賞咁樣嘅。So 如果我有時間錄嘅話呢，我就會避免嗰啲廣告錄即是避免錄埋啲廣告入去啦，咁我就可以好自由咁樣睇完成套戲呢，係冇廣告嘅，係咁噶。So 我好中意 video tape 嘅，我好中意 cassette 中意 video tape， 我 OK 咯，係之後先至冇辦法時代嘅轉變，咁我就冇辦法就要睇 VCD 啦。So 呢幾樣嘢其實對於我嚟講係好有回憶嘅，所以我覺得其實大家你哋都有古仔㗎，係咪？所以如果你哋有古仔關於 video tape cassette 或者 VCD， 你哋都可以話俾我聽關於呢個租帶鋪嘅 OK。So 今日咧同大家分享嘅咧就差唔多啦，依家我嘅專堂嘅嘞噃。So now I would like to share with you guys how did I get to know a rental store? How can I say that? Is it rental store or videotape rental store? Okay, never mind. I will just talk about videotape rental store first. Okay, I still remember when my grandma was still staying at Darling. During the weekends, I will go to her house and then I will accompany her to watch some shows. I still remember I accompanied her to a rental shop and I rented a TV drama called A Kindred Spirit. I don't know, A Kindred Spirit or Kindred Spirit. I don't know how they pronounce it, even though I can speak English. Sometimes the pronunciation is different. I have no idea how to pronounce it correctly. Okay, just bear with me. Okay. Okay. So this is a sitcom. It's around 1 to 2,000 episodes. Okay. So I've been accompanying her for quite some time to watch this sitcom. Around late night, accompany her until 1 to 2. Then only I will get to sleep. Okay, because I need to accompany her. And then after that, I still remember that I did accompany her to the rental shop. There is a lot of videotapes over there. They put it in a cupboard with different kind of titles, TV drama. Okay. Yeah. And then I still remember after she had ended, she had finished watching A Kindred Spirit and then continue on. She was watching 97 Charming Lian. This is a TV drama from ATV. So it stars by Joey Ma, Wan Tinjiu. I don't know. I have no idea about the English name, okay? But I definitely know this is a drama produced by ATV. It has, I don't know, 70 or 80 episodes. It's still really long, like a normal TV drama. So I've been accompanying her watch this drama as well. It's a long story, okay? Yeah, I still remember that a lot, okay? So after she had moved to KL, I still remember the rental shop is a little bit far, even though it's across the road, but I still have to. She still has to drive to the shop in order to rent some, to rent some tapes. And I still remember after that she stopped renting already. So I am the one who started to rent, okay? And then I probably did not know what would be the trend at that time. So normally I will hear my friends saying that, oh, this drama is great, this drama is awesome, this drama is whatever. So you may take a look, okay? So my friend told me about Sailor Moon. Okay, so I went to the rental shop, and if you would like to be a member, you need to pay 1 ringgit for that. To stamp on your member, and then you may rent an episode to watch it for the whole day, but tomorrow you have to return it back to the shop. Okay, if you fail to do so, you need to find $1 for that. Yeah. So I will make myself busy once I have done my homework, I will start to watch Sailor Moon in the evening, many thousand million times. Then only I will return it back the other day. Okay, so after I've done Sailor Moon, and then there is a period of time that is the technology has been changing from videotape to VCD. Okay, I know that is around the year of 2000. Okay, where I will still be watching TV drama, ATV drama, stuff like that. Hi, sorry, it's Africa fish, 非洲鱼. Okay, so after that, I have no idea what would be the trend at that moment. Any hot drama, any TV drama that I need to watch. So I heard one of my friends saying that, okay,我僵屍有個會 is a really good vampire show. It's not scary, it's really funny, blah 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 blah, stuff like that. So I said, okay, I'll give it a try. So I went to the rental shop, and then I asked the in charge person over there, 請問你哋呢度有冇嗰個有冇得租我和僵屍啊？佢有 It's in VCD form, okay? So I've been renting it for almost a year, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, or two. Okay. So actually VCD, they will have two parts, which is CD1 and CD2. So it's still the same regulation from the videotape. So you have to pay RM1 for that member, because my member is still remain from the previous one. So I've been bringing forward for my VCD one. Okay, so I've been started. Okay, after that I started to watch 我和僵屍 my date with vampire. Okay, from the first episode, and then they have the same rules like the videotape. So you need to rent for one. You can only rent for 1 day. Okay, so it's still the same routine. I've done my homework and then I started to watch it again and again and again for 1,000 million times. Okay, trust me, it's really fun. Okay, it was really fun to do that. Okay, yes, and then on the other day, I will return it to the shop and then I continue on for my second episode. So it was a great memory, I can say that, because I've been doing that for 2 to 3 years, from Sailor Moon until 我和僵屍. And then in the middle, my grandma was watching Kinder Spirit 真情 and also 97 Charmeleon, which is 97變色龍 from ATV. So it was a great memory, I can say that, an unforgettable moment, because now you can't do that anymore, because you can't be able to rent a VCD or rent a videotape or rent whatever you name it, or rent a DVD or something, because now it's online. Now it's on digital platform. You may watch it on YouTube, you may watch it on Netflix, you name it, Suka or whatever. Okay, so for my own opinion, right, it was a huge transformation from the physical to digital. So I really need some time to get over it, because way before I was from cassette, I was from cassette, videotape, CD, and then a VCD, and then DVD. So I really need, because the process is really long. The process was really long, so I really need a period of time for me to digest everything. Because from this transition from this transition transform until the next one. So yeah, it takes me a period of time for me to digest this thing. Okay, so okay, I think that's all I would like to share with you guys regarding on the renting videotape shop. Okay, so if you have any story regarding on today's topic, or if you have any question regarding on today's topic, you may leave down a message below and let me know and tell me your story. Okay, so I'll see you guys for my next live. Okay, so if you have any new topic or any new theme that you would like me to share on my live, just leave down a message and then I'll let you know and then I'll arrange it. OK， so 今日咧就同大家分享住咁多先。所以如果你哋有啲咩新嘅主題或者係想我同大家分享喺我嘅live show咧，你就可以留低你嘅口信話俾我聽。So 我哋下一個星期再見㗎啦噃，ขอบคุณมากครับ，เจอกันแล้วทุกคน